The spill has been contained and now it's time for cleanup. Stepping in the spill, then tracking the spilled liquids out of the contained area means that it's going to take longer to get that spill cleaned up. Here's how to keep your boots clean and keep that spill from spreading.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Instead of trying to clean up the whole spill at once, work from the outside in. Stand beyond the perimeter and place your absorbent rugs, sheets, or loose absorbents over whatever has spilled. When the spilled liquids have been absorbed near the perimeter, use a broom, a shovel, or a squeegee to move the absorbents toward the center of the spill. As you clean up around the perimeter, you can also move any socks, booms, or containment materials toward the center with you, always keeping them between you and the spilled liquids. When absorbents become fully saturated, use a shovel to pick them up and put them in bags or containers for recycling or disposal. Replace absorbents as needed to soak up any of the remaining spill. When you reach the center of the spill, pick up all the remaining absorbent materials, including materials that were used to contain the spill. And if you did happen to step in the spill at some point, just place a clean sheet of mat down and step on it to remove the contamination before walking away from the area. The area should now be ready for final decon and remediation. Check out our other 2-minute drills for more details on how to use specific types of absorbents to clean up spills.